Hey, it's Amy the attorney, and hello. I am here to talk to you today. It's the end of August. Our kids have gotten off to school, and we hopefully have gotten off to school. And this is something I wanted to talk about at the beginning of August, but haven't gotten around to it. But here is why you need powers of attorney for your college age children. And it seems like, oh, I'm going to be able to mama bear my way into that situation. I am going to be able to, if there's an emergency, I will be able to get to my child. And the fact of the matter is you won't. And many times the hospital, the doctor, whatever the situation, is going to put up that shield around that now adult child, which they turned an adult when they turned 18. And so you get the powers of attorney from the kid, you get a financial power of attorney, and you get a healthcare power of attorney. And what those documents do for everyone is it is allowing them to act on your behalf. When you give somebody that power, you're saying, if I can't speak for myself, if I can't direct my care, I want you to do it and give you the legal power to do it. So of course there might be a situation, and this is worst case scenario. Something bad has happened to your child at school, and they are in the hospital, and you need to get in there and talk to them and or direct their care, but they are 18, 19, 20, and the hospital says no. Now, the hospital may assist you in getting power of attorney, but that person, your child, will not be able to give the power of attorney at that point because they can't speak for themselves. So it's better to do this when everything's fine, a back to school thing. Say, hey, kiddo, I'm going to do powers of attorney on you. This is worst case scenario, that I will be able to speak for you in medical situations and speak for you in financial situations. The other reason that this is important is that, as we know, colleges now have the agreements not with the parents, but with the students themselves. So my child's college, Mizzou, did give us the instructions at orientation of how we could be a part of all of the, see the behinds of money, see behind of the grades, etc. So that is, they sort of short circuited it, but technically the agreement is between the child and the school, not the parent and the school. But having a financial power of attorney can also shortcut that, because you can present the financial power of attorney, which allows you to deal on their behalf, speak on their behalf, etc. This may seem pie in the sky, this isn't going to happen, but I am telling you it does, and it can. And we make it super simple to do powers of attorney. We have a chat bot that the kid fills out. It explains everything. And then once they've filled it out, I draft the documents, and I will either send them to you to have them notarized, or we will meet up someplace in Kansas City to have them notarized. So I know that it just seems way off. That's so big of a topic. So like nothing's going to happen to my kid and I'll be able to get to my kid. Why not spend the money, a small amount of money, to just go ahead and get that done now? So if your kid is gone, when they're come back on the weekends, let me do it for you. When they're back for Thanksgiving, let me do it for you. When they're back for Christmas, let me do it for you. It is an important part of the college experience, and it doesn't seem important because it's not important until there's an emergency. All right, thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, Kansas City. The choice of a lawyer is an important decision and should not be based solely on advertising. This would be considered advertising. All right, bye.